Hi, my name's Greg. I'm a California certified nursery professional with Green Acres Nursery Supply. Fall is for planting and especially for California natives. We were really fortunate to get over 20 varieties of locally grown California natives in stock right now at the nursery. There are so many benefits to planting California natives. The first one, and something we all think about, is they have low water requirements. Once natives are established, they need little or no water, which makes them perfect for a healthy, water-wise landscape. They provide beneficial habitat for local bees, butterflies, and birds. They offer color and texture and diversity in the landscape. You can get ceanothus that bloom blue in the late winter, early spring, California poppies, and the Matilde poppy, which just makes your garden burst out with color. Gosh, we've got all this narrowleaf milkweed that looks so great. Let's bring the monarchs in. The monarchs need all the help they can get. Okay, so I want to show you two of my favorites. This is the silver lupin. I've always wanted one of these. We finally got them in. This has a silver foliage, but a beautiful blue flower. And of course, one of my favorite trees, the western redbud. This draws so much birds and flowers and everything into my yard. It makes it look fantastic. These are two of over 20 varieties that we just received in the nursery. Come on out and check them out.